I am good.
He is our good. Guys, we are still buzzing. Guess what? We have some good news for you guys. So, listen up. Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett says that while brand Jamaica has traditionally done well on the international stage, receiving several accolades at the World Travel Awards during an ongoing pandemic, listen, it was a major milestone. Jamaica and its tourism entities received 26 awards. Yes, guys, Jamaica was named the Caribbean's leading destination for the 16th straight year. Now, we copped the award for the Caribbean's leading cruise destination, Caribbean's leading tourist board for the 14th year in a row, of course, and the Caribbean's leading nature destination for 2022.
Now, 3 of Jamaica's sports received top awards. Now, Falmouth was named the leading Caribbean cruise port, Montego Bay, the Caribbean's leading home port, while the historic naval dockyard, Port Royal, copped the Caribbean's leading tourism development for 2022. Now, speaking after the 69th World Travel Awards held at Sandals, Montego Bay in August, Bartlett said it was a reminder that the destination has recovered faster than most of its international competitors.
Yes, he continued saying, the feeling of satisfaction is stronger this year because we all struggled. We all fought this pandemic and we had varying levels of success. For Jamaica to have emerged as the leading destination in terms of the awards is a very strong statement of how our team has worked assiduously to make this happen. Now, Bartlett pointed out that the accolades are proof of the resilience of Jamaica's tourism sector and its committed stakeholders.
Now, first, in correction, I'd said what happened to that boss?
Listen.
I'd say the 69th World Travel Awards, but actually the 29th.
Okay.
Right, yeah, man, because we just like give
I was just going to say that perhaps your brain was elsewhere.
That's a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, I understand.
But yeah, but it is, I am happy when it is that we have good news because the minister is working, the ministry is working, and you see where the work is bearing its fruit. You understand? So I'm happy about that, and you should be awarded and lauded.
Yeah.
And doing it so many years because, I mean, I think he has won maybe like 17 years straight now. He has won a certain award and another 14 years,
and
another
16
award.
years in a row. But that just goes to show, and I'm having a dig at I'm going to throw my coin right here. It goes to show that once a sector is supported, it is funded, it bears good fruit. It does well, you know?
All right, I don't know we are true.
You know?
I know we are true.
Once a sector is looked after, it yields good fruits. That's all I'm saying.